Chief Minister Ajit Pawar's body has been identified based on the watch that he was wearing at the time of the accident. Sources say that the mortal remains were charred beyond recognition, making visual identification impossible. Authorities have been following due procedure as part of the investigation. Let me go across to Arunil now, who has some more updates about this. Arunil, very unfortunate, extremely tragic, and we saw some of those visuals of the aftermath of the crash as well, which essentially captured the intensity of the crash. Ajit Pawar's body was not recognizable. However, they managed to get an identification done based on the watch he was wearing.
Well, that is right, Siddharth. Basically, the body was charred beyond recognition. This generally happens during an aircraft as well. In fact, in the recent Air India crash in Ahmedabad as well, the bodies couldn't be identified. DNA test had to be done. In this case, Ajit Pawar was wearing a watch. Based on that watch only, watch wasn't damaged so much, and based on that watch that he was wearing, his mortal remains were identified by the officials who reached the crash site. Furthermore, as well, whether any DNA test will be conducted, that we will be keeping a close eye on via our sources from the AIB, that is the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, as well as the other agencies who are part of this investigation. In fact, the Union Civil Aviation Minister, Mr. Naidu, will also be reaching the spot. DGCA has already ordered an investigation.
Yes.
But the
Mr. Naidu, along with Muralidhar Mahol, the MOS of Civil Aviation as well. Arunil, Nilesh, please stay with us. We'll continue our coverage of the aftermath of this crash. We're just stepping into a short break right now.